across the southeast. We have such a drastic change ahead of us, but pretty quiet here the next 36 hours. That includes this evening, a couple passing clouds, then clearing skies overnight. We will start Friday in the lower 40s across the area, and maybe just a little bit on the chilly side. Beaufort, 59 degrees, 60 in Ridgeland, low 60s in Pooler, upper 50s in Statesboro, and Glenville about 60 degrees and sun-tastic. We should see full sunshine to wrap up the work week. High impact weather day coming up this weekend. It's really later Saturday night into Sunday. Rainy, windy conditions overspread the area. Some of those wind gusts could be above 40 miles per hour. Rainfall totals a half inch to a good inch in most backyards, and that storm system will be impacting the entire southeast, and it will be wintry weather for parts of Georgia and the Carolinas. Let's take you through this hour by hour. No concerns tomorrow morning. We start with sunshine. Maybe you need that light jacket. Sunshine, sunglasses needed during the afternoon, and then the weekend forecast. Saturday is clearly the pick day. Should be dry through at least 10 p.m. A few more clouds rush in here late afternoon. It will turn cloudy by Saturday evening. Rain probably holds off until again after about 10 p.m. If you are traveling to the north, freezing rain around Athens, snow in the North Georgia mountains, western Carolinas towards Greenville, freezing rain and snow. For us locally, these green and yellow colors here, that represents rain, and it could be heavy at times. Just north of our area, at least the threat of some freezing rain. That's mainly north of Hampton and Screven counties. We're a little too warm here to get that wintry mess across the I-95 corridor. We are just looking at rain. Already some winter storm watches for parts of North Georgia, the western Carolinas, and we are expecting more to be issued over the next 24 hours as we're still a little bit in advance of that storm system. What you can expect locally: Saturday looking dry. That system moves in Saturday night and Sunday. For us, it's rain and wind gusts 35 to maybe 45 miles per hour. If you are traveling north, Atlanta, Athens, Columbia, Greenville, Saturday night into Sunday, wintry weather possible. Again, that could be freezing rain, a mix, or snow across the area. All right, a lot to talk about here. We have a high impact weather day locally on Sunday, and that kicks off later Saturday. Again, Saturday night into Sunday is our main impacts. I would also say with wind gusts topping 40 miles per hour, I wouldn't be surprised if there's isolated or sporadic power outages Sunday into Monday here across southeast Georgia and the low country. Temperatures may hit 62 early Sunday, crash down to the 30s to start off Monday morning. So it will be a strong cold front moving through. And then that chill will hang around into the early part of the week. We'll rebound Wednesday and Thursday, some low 60s. And then that front that moves through Thursday, again, will send chilly air across our area. 30s for lows, lower 50s for highs. Overall, when you look at this forecast, it's mainly temperatures 50s to low 60s for highs, lots of 30s and 40s for lows. If you want to track our numbers on the go, we have them ready for you in the free WJCL 22